Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 best ways on how to turn PLR articles into a YouTube video. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, I bet you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey guys, also remember to stick around to the end because we're going to have a dad joke at the end. So let's go check it out. Now the number one easiest way to turn your PLR article into a YouTube video is to get all the main points and then make that an outline for your video. Now I don't like to use scripts myself personally, primarily because I think that I sound a little bit too robotic when I use scripts. So what I tend to do is I just use an outline and then I go from the outline, and by having an outline I can just flow on from there and I sound a lot more natural. Because if I read from a teleprompter or something like that, I don't sound as natural. I sound like I'm reading, and to be perfectly honest, it's pretty obvious. So the number one thing you want to do is to create an outline using all the headings and the subheadings within a chapter. And then you can have them come on the screen like that. And by having them come up on the screen, you're giving people something to look at besides looking at you. And this way, it becomes a lot more engaging and a lot more interesting. You can also use B-roll to be able to help you during your process of your editing. And this will also encourage people to be a lot more interested as well. And this can then also illustrate what you're trying to teach people. The second easiest way you can create a YouTube channel is to put it into a place called Pictory. Now if you don't know what Pictory is, it'll actually create a video using your article or using content from a PLR ebook. Now the very first thing you want to do is to make sure your content or your PLR ebook allows you to be able to do this. And you can always go to your license and check what your license says. And if it says yes, can modify and change the main product, and it says yes, you can modify and change the graphics and e-cover, then you're okay to go with this. And make sure that you do change it by going to somewhere like Quillbot. And that will allow you to be able to change the content quickly and easily. If you don't know what Quillbot is in fact an article rewriter. It will literally rewrite the entire article for you. And all you have to do is hit paraphrase and it will change it and paraphrase it in such a way to make it unique to you. And then all you need to do is go over here to Pictory. And by going over here to Pictory, you can literally paste a article into here and it will create a video for you. I'm going to give you a very brief rundown and a very brief view on how to do this, and you'll see how easy this really is. First thing I have to do is bring up an article. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this one here, and this one is in fact, once I scroll it up, YouTube Quick Start. And this is just a little article you can look at. Now I'm just going to quickly grab this and just grab the first chapter, or this is just the introduction. I'm just going to grab this and I'm going to just quickly throw that into unedited. So I'm not going to have it edited, but I would strongly suggest you do edit the entire thing, and then what you can do is place that straight into Pictory. So let's go here. All we need to do is go Control V and paste that straight into here. Go Control V, and there you have it. Now as you can see, I have literally just got the entire article just here. Now I didn't do much else except I didn't paraphrase it. Now if I wanted to paraphrase or anything like that, all I'd have to do is go here, paste it into here, and then hit paraphrase, and it will literally rewrite the entire thing for me. If you want to have a more accurate, or should I say a more unique one, all you have to do is take it up to here and it will literally do the whole thing for you in a matter of a few seconds, and it will be done. And it's now done. All you have to do is over here to the right hand side, it says copy full text. You can click on that, or you can just highlight over the entire text, scroll down to the very bottom, making sure you grab everything, and then you can just copy it and paste it straight into Pictory. And if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you've seen me do this quite a few times, so you know how to do it. And I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can get a discount for this. So I won't worry about doing too much more than that. I'll just now go up to the top and hit proceed. And what this will do is we'll make sure we choose this one because this is going to become a YouTube video. Click on that, and then we can wait for it to do its thing, and it will then turn into an entire video. I'm just going to pause the video while this happens. Alright, we're back. As you can see, you've got your article just here placed into this area here, and it puts it on the screen for you, and you can edit it right here in the actual screen itself. And as you go through, you might say, look at this and go, oh, I don't like that, too much text, in which case you just click on that, and then you can split the screen from that point. And what that does is it will put that text and it will shrink that down for you. It's really quite simple. I love Pictory because it gives you so much flexibility, and it is something that I personally love using because of the fact that it is so intuitive. Now let's go over here for 1 second. I'm going to put that down there, go over here, and that is where we're going to be splitting the screen. Go down here and it will split the screen for me into a lovely area. So as you can see, it splits it up and just makes it nice. And what you can do is you can just go through scene from scene, and you can have a look at what's there, and you can choose to see if that's what you want. You can then continue to do it, or you can change the video around by clicking over here and then just choosing a different video. You can type in what you want to use, and you can use that instead. So that is another way in which you can do this. I'm not going to go into any more detail here because I have other videos that will show you how to do that. Another thing you can do is you can actually use a PLR article and turn that into a script and read that out using a teleprompter. Now the good thing about doing that is it allows you to be able to put B-roll up on the screen. You can then be on the camera a bit more often. You can then read it out aloud, and as long as you're good at reading, I personally am really terrible at reading out aloud, and I tend to stumble over my words a lot, so I personally prefer to use just the outline and go from there because I'm much more confident doing that with all the years of public speaking I've been doing. But for you, you may not have the confidence in being able to just speak from the top of your head like I can, so you might be better off scripting the entire thing and reading from the script, especially if you are good at reading out loud. So I would strongly suggest that if you're good at doing that, then you can then read out aloud, and you can sit in front of the camera and read from a teleprompter. Now there's plenty of different things online that will show you how to use a teleprompter. And here I would strongly suggest look online. You can go to Amazon or places like that to look for a good teleprompter for either a phone or your camera, and you can put it in front of your camera or your phone, and you can then read from that. And there are plenty of videos online showing you how you can actually do that. Okay guys, it's now joke time. A person who surrenders when he's wrong is honest. A person who surrenders when he's not sure is wise. But a person who surrenders even if he's right is a husband. Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also, leave a comment down below and let me know of any other way in which you know and how you can turn a PLR article into a YouTube video. Hey guys, over here is a video I believe you may actually like. Down here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. And on this side, if you have a look over here, click on that button there and you should be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.